This is a Teamboard Tablet. These are offered in all of the larger classrooms. They're also in the collaboratory in the group PCs. They're a great new way for us to engage in our content in a new way, to annotate on top of PowerPoint specifically, but also to be free from the podium in your large classrooms. In this tutorial I'm just going to talk about the tablet. In another one I'll show you how to annotate in PowerPoint. So this is the tablet. Here you have the power button. This is the LCD. You have a pen here, a stylus. You have volume control, page up and down, which will advance your PowerPoints or move up and down the screen. You also have these K functions, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And they are powered by USB, which is up here. So they dock at the computer. You'll see a USB cable dangling by the computer, and that just plugs into this port here. Make sure that you charge those before when you're finished with them, so the next person comes in has a charged battery. To turn them on, you just power it up by holding down that button until you see the LCD screen light up. You remove your stylus from the top. You'll see that it just fits into that right there. And then to wake up the stylus, you take the pen and you'll see that it's got a little point right there. You just tap that. And the computer wakes up. Now I want you to notice that when I use this, you don't have to actually touch the pen to the tablet to get it to show. So I'm going to keep doing this, and on the computer screen you're going to see that my mouse moves. This is so you know how to act, so you know where you are on the computer screen. It's not like a mouse where you have to go move, move, move. The bottom right hand corner of the screen is the bottom right hand corner of the screen there as well. So that said, the top left is also the top left on the computer screen. Okay? And this would work just like you think it would. If I tap, I'm single clicking. If I double tap, I'm double clicking. So if I wanted to open Adobe Acrobat, I just double tap on the screen and it launches the application. So I can move my mouse over, close out of the application. Okay? The tablet also has what's called K functions. So if I hover over these, you'll see that on the computer screen it's going to tell you what those K functions are. I've also got an illustration of what each one of those are, so you know. The big ones are I think it's K14, which is to launch PowerPoint. So if I click this, you'll see that it's going to launch PowerPoint for me. It's a cool way to access applications without having to search for them on your computer. Another cool thing is that you can right-click. On the pen you have two buttons, one here and one there. When you click that, hovering over on the tablet, you'll see that I right-click. And that functions just like a right-click on a mouse. One other thing that I want to show you is volume control. You take the tip of the stylus and you fit it into the groove for volume, and that will control your volume on the PC. You just put it in there and go clockwise or counterclockwise. That's it. When you're done, just make sure you put the stylus back on, power down the tablet, and dock it back on the USB port so it's charged for the next person.